What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dione Protocol token. Now, the Dione Protocol token just got listed today on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Dione Protocol token. So you can find their Twitter at Dione Protocol. So this token just got listed today, September 8th, at what time here? 15 hours UTC time. I'm not sure what times that's going to be in your time zone, but it's going to be listed today on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search Dione, and then you simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So if you go to their Twitter, they have 27 tweets. They just joined in August 2022. Very brand new project. It says Dione Wallet, Dione Swap, Dione Blockchain, creating a system powered by renewable energy, combining convenience and a safer, decentralized future. So they have a link to their white paper on their Twitter, and it says they have a roadmap on here. They have information about their wallet, the renewable energy, the ecosystem, all sorts of info on here. So it says we start with one of the most influential archaeological finds in history, called the Nebraska. The Nebraska disk headlines a primeval representation of astronomical wonder and is one of the most significant astrological discoveries ever. The Nebraska has 5 components: the moon, sun, stars, horizon band, and solar boat. So then it says the Nebraska is not only a symbol of the marking of the beginning of, in the world history context, the Bronze Age, but it also is a symbol of major influence endorsing the abilities and knowledge of the people who happen to be our ancestors dating back thousands of years. Influencers providing confidence in the origin of the human brain and its ability to make decisions based on close astronomical observation. So then it goes on and on about this story here. And then for some reason, there's a huge info about the Nebraska here, and then it starts in going on about the Dione wallet. So we begin with the Dione wallet. Fundamentals are absolutely key to as a protocol as a whole. Safety and security in DeFi is something that I am beyond words all for. As I have stated, it is the key that we now, as early investors in DeFi, work towards a safer future in conjunction in ease and low barrier to entry for newcomers of DeFi. This reads super weird. Like the grammar's off, and they're also trying to be like real clever and stuff, and it's kind of annoying actually. It is no secret that DeFi poses a major safety security risk to really all investors with cross-chain capability. Dione Wallet is focused on safety, security, and the host of the Dione blockchain. More to come. Date announced August 20th. So they just announced that, I guess. So I'm going to kind of just skip to the important parts because this white paper is super weird here. So they have the Dione Swap. It says the Dione Swap will be cross-chain. It's going to have a bridging service. It's going to be have true education and simplicity. It says, most importantly, Dione Swap will have a place to go for smart contracts to be implemented on the Dione blockchain further down the line. Yeah, I mean, see how easy that was when I just took out the important parts of that? I mean, that's what this white paper should be. I mean, why fill it up with nonsense? It's supposed to be like, white papers are supposed to be like technical papers. They're not supposed to be huge, weird stories about nebulous skies and then making the info read all strange because you want to sound fancy. Like, let's be clear about what this project's about. So I'm kind of annoyed at this white paper, to say the least here. So Dione blockchain, yes, they're developing their own blockchain. It says they're going to be heavily focused on transmission and security of data. And it's only really a 5-page white paper too, by the way. It's not a gigantic white paper. So they only had 5 pages and they had to fill most of it up with just nonsense story writing instead of getting to the point. Dione blockchain, a protocol focused on safety and security and renewable energy. So Nebra. So now we get to Nebra, and this is why they wrote that huge thing about Nebra Sky and what it is and yada yada yada. So Nebra is the power of the generator of the ecosystem. Nebra is Dione tied together. My idea of assisting in operational energy consumption of a new, safer, decentralized ecosystem with renewable energy will come to life. So yeah, and then diamonds in the sky is the last part here. Surrounding the ecosystem stands true stars are diamonds in the sky. These diamonds are not just any ordinary diamonds, but these diamonds are a force of energy. See what I mean? Like, who cares? Just get to the point. What is it? And it doesn't even tell you, actually. It just says date formulated. Like, I don't even know what it is. Like, okay. Whatever. So anyways, they're going to have something or another that's called Nebra and something called Diamonds in the Sky, but they don't really explain what it is correctly. So, cool. Anyways, they have their own blockchain, they have their own wallet, they have their own swap, and it's focused on renewable energy. They do have a roadmap on here, and of course the roadmap is also weird and starts with orbit number 1. Let's introduce you to orbit number 1. P.S. I'm usually early, sometimes late, and never late. Like, what are you talking about? I mean, this roadmap is ridiculous. So they're coming out with the Dione wallet, then the Dione swap, it says. So Dione wallet comes out in September 20th. Dione swap comes out early October. Nebra October 14th. And then they're going to have in-depth explainer with models, it says, of what that is. Then they're going to have something called 3 Ghosts. Maybe that's NFTs. I don't know. And eventually they're going to have the Dione Swap Ethereum functionality, Dione Swap cross-chain functionality, bridge functionality. But yeah, definitely fix this paper, whoever wrote this. Like, it's a super annoying paper to read, and it almost makes me not even want to look into your token after I read how ridiculous your white paper is. Fix it. That's all I gotta say. Like this video, people. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where a lot of these new tokens get listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.